Hello and welcome to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, we are in our 25 days of cookies, and today I'm making for you a bar cookie. It's called Magic Bars. And I've seen this recipe around and I've wanted to try it, so I've tried it and now I'm bringing it to you. So, but before I get started with the recipe, I just want you guys to remember on Fridays to please remember for the special word so that you can be entered, or that you could be one of the first 5 selected so that you could win cookies. If you're in Southern California, you can get cookies on Friday if you are one of the first 5 to view, to see the code word, and to share it with 5 of your friends. So please remember to watch out for that on Fridays. So today I want to remind you to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So on to the recipe. So this recipe has a graham cracker crust. So I have here a cup and a half of ground graham cracker crumbs, and I have some melted butter. I'm going to mix those two together to make the crust. You want your graham cracker crust, you want all the graham crackers properly moistened with the butter so that you can press it into the pan good, and so that you get a nice fit together. It should hold together. So that's what you want your crust to look like. And so now we're going to pour it in our pan. And we're going to spread this out evenly to the crust, and spread it out evenly, and then press it in. You want to put your graham cracker crust in the pan, then you're going to press it in so you have a nice even crust at the bottom, getting it as evenly as possible. So this is what it should look like in your pan, nice and pressed in. Then on top of your crust, you're going to pour half of a can of condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk, and half of the can goes on top. And you can pretty much eyeball it when you feel like you have half the can. That's about half the can, and we're going to spread this out over the graham cracker crust as evenly as we can. This literally requires no mixing other than the graham cracker crumbs and the butter, which is awesome. That means this is a dish you can teach to your kids, and with your supervision on the oven, even your kids can make this. This is a super easy, super fun to do with your kids, and super delicious. So just spread this out. And this part doesn't even matter either, because if the kids get too crazy and they mix the condensed milk up with the crust, it's not that much of a big deal. This is a super easy recipe, and you should let your kids try this recipe as well. Then on top of this, we are going to add our chocolate chips. And this is where you can change it up. You can put peanut butter chips and peanuts. You can put whatever you want. You can make this be whatever, because it's not like you have to deal with any kind of ratios or anything like you would if you were baking a cake. You can put whatever you want to put in this. The sky is the limit. You can make this be whatever you want it to be. just put a few more pieces just to completely cover the bottom. That's enough of that. And then I'm going to add my coconut. I'm going to show you some variations of this recipe next week. In next week's videos, I'll have some additional variations for this magic bar. And then we're going to add some nuts. And these are wonderful. These are glazed walnuts that I got. And you can just put the nuts so again, please share and like, and let me know in the description box what cookies you want to see over this 25 days of Christmas. I'm interested. I have lots of ideas of what I want to do, but I'd like to see some of your ideas. Give me some comments. Share. Let me know what you want to do. What you want to see, rather. What kind of cookies you're interested in. Do you want to see me make some sugar cookies? Or do you want to see me make some, I don't know, whatever kind of cookies you want to see me do. Just let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Okay, now we got that pretty much cleaned out. Now we're going to take this to the oven. This is what your bar should look like. We're going to take this to the oven and we're going to bake this 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll see you when they're ready. Alright, welcome back. And our magic cookie bar is baked and ready to be cut. So I'm going to cut a little piece just so you can see what it looks like. As crispy as I would have liked the bottom to be, but I think once it cools all the way, it will be a little bit more crispy. But flour and butter and eggs. I hope you try this. It is super delicious. The only thing I would do next time is it's not as crispy as I would have liked the bottom to be, but I think once it cools all the way, it will be a little bit more crispy. But you can taste all the flavors. It tastes like a baked dessert. Like a regular cookie, you know, with flour and butter and eggs. So I hope you try this. It is super delicious. The only thing I would do next time is I would use milk chocolate chips, because the bitter chips give it a little bit more of a dark chocolate taste than I would care to like. So I mean, next time I'll mix dark and white and milk. I'm sorry, not white. Dark chocolate and milk chocolate, or dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. You can do whatever you want to do, but for my taste, I probably would like more milk chocolate than dark chocolate. But thanks for watching. Again, share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.